We put the measuring tapes diagonal. All right.
This one says
We put the measuring tapes diagonal.
And
This one says 37 point, as long as we're over here, we can do these two. This says 19, as I said, when it stretches out, it goes to 2 inches. As long as we're over here, we can do these two. This says 19, as I said, when it stretches out, it goes to 2 inches. Okay, this is the bottom of it on the inside.
It will stretch.
And these are the air holes. This is the bottom of it on the inside. And these are the air holes. All right, here's the other corner. This one also says 37.2. All right, here's the other corner. This one also says 37.2. And then this one says 19. That's 36. And
37's underneath the yellow
it'll
part.
stretch. I figured as long as they're the same, it should be fine. So this is the first, this is one side, and I figured as long as they're the same, it should be fine. So this is the first, this is one side, and these are the,
No,
they're both the same.
37, 2 inches.
So you wanted, yeah, you wanted the X so that we
they're
can
both
see
the
that. They're
same.
both the same. It was
37,
plumb.
uh,
The top where the grommets are, they'll attach to the 6-inch pipe. All right. We put the measuring tapes diagonal. This one
This
says
length here
37
will be 19.2 when it's stretched. With the, it shows at 19, a little over 19.
As long as we're over here, we can.
But
do
when
these
it stretches, when we
This says
pull it and
19,
stretch
as I
it,
said, when it
it
stretches
goes
out,
to
it goes to 2
19.2.
inches. 19.2.
Yeah,
It will stretch.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
This is the bottom
so
of it on the
These are all the
inside,
grommets.
and these are the air
They're
holes.
6 inches apart.
Okay. Here's the other corner where they start.
And that measures
And here's the other corner. This one also
We
says
haven't got the length,
37.2.
32-foot length in there yet, because we only have 2
37's
long tape
underneath the
measures.
yellow
So
part.
if you want us to measure it, we
And
can
this
move
one
it.
says 19. And again, it'll stretch. I figured as long as they're the same, it should be fine. So this is the first, this is one side, and this side. Make sure these are
so let me ask.
the rods that you put. What?
No, they're both the
They're
same.
both the same.
37, 2 inches.
So you wanted, yeah, you wanted the X so that we can see that it was plumb.
We had 3 of us.
Well, I helped her a lot, and I'm usually not involved in helping a lot.
Okay, so here's the end. It says 32, but like I said, it'll stretch. It'll stretch out to where it needs to be.
Just under 32.
Yeah, so it's just under 32.
You're rolling it really loose, so I don't know.
Both more.
It's actually better than I thought it would be.
Is that 10 inches?
It says 10.
On the other direction, the horizontal direction.
Horizontal. Oh,
Which is
well,
kind
it's
of-
squished that way.
Yeah. I
And
mean, it's
that's where
squished. Right, so it's gonna be more
It's gonna be
like
a
that.
lot bigger that way because it says 14. But,
Yeah,
but that's because there's a lot of air in between.
oh, yeah, because.
Because it wasn't real tight.
All right, well, so 10
Look
inches,
at that.
10 inches
Yeah,
in the
that-
vertical direction is good, because that's bunched up probably about as good as.
Yeah,
it's-
that's probably what it's gonna be like. It'll bunch
Right.
up like this.
Right, yeah, the width is just because it doesn't have any tension on it.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.